Wait! David! We're gonna go get wood. Let's go.
Evie? Lexi? She doesn't care actually. So, Despina is taking wood for the first time.
What do you want from my life?
She has never needed to take wood from anywhere.
We already wasted so much wood. My hat is falling.
Without your hat you can't work, right?
Huh?
Without hat no work.
Yes. Evie! We're supposed to sit on it. We're going for a walk. Oh my god! Oopsie. It's slippery, that's not good. Evie, you okay? Hold on, Evie. That's worse than the... Move, Ivy, move. We have some problems here. We have... Oh, okay, I knocked over the vacuum cleaner. And I didn't scratch the back there. David scratched it already. I didn't. But I know how to drive. Oh, let me unload.
Is it okay, Baba?
Yeah.
Is it worth it for your wood addiction? Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay, you can talk.
So, back in that room we started the vlog. And David already started ripping the ceiling. I don't know if that's on purpose or accidentally.
On purpose.
On purpose? Okay, so I found another wall to hit. David did the start here and I'm continue. Continue. What did you do there now? That's it?
Yeah.
That's all you do?
That's what we replaced. It was broken. So this is the upstairs, how it looks. I see a hole here.
Moving the whole ceiling. I mean, floor. Oh shit. You heard that?
What?
Downstairs.
Yeah, stop falling through to the sides, I think.
Oh shit. Wait!
Hello!
Oh, it's a hole?
Do you need health insurance?
Is that a hole? Wait! David!
Yes?
I'm under!
You're not.
I was!
Okay.
How insane are you?
Tiny bit.
You know, it falls all the way down like this and you're knocking it over my head.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Okay, go away. I'm filming from far.
I was moving the ladder.
Ready?
Yeah. Go! Are we gonna do the whole ceiling like that? I thought you were gonna throw another one.
No, I'm out. Through all of them.
Okay.
Can I pee from here? So I'm going upstairs to destroy the ceiling of that room so we can literally look and see what we're dealing with. Okay? But
I'm gonna film it from outside because I don't want to deal with the dust on me.
okay.
Don't drop the floor between your legs.
This is the wall.
Oh, okay.
I'm on the wall.
Don't hold on that tiny shelf.
This thing is nailed in good, Baba.
Huh?
It's nailed in strong.
Okay.
And I'm standing on the wall. But it's too much power. I nearly. Oh, I was stepping on the nails. Huh, good boots. Can you help me get up?
How?
Like a baby.
I cannot pull you up.
Uh-huh. This is how they insulated houses 200 years ago. With it had thingies on it. How's it called? Moss. They use moss and lime or clay, whatever it is, to insulate the house. Keep it, Baba?
Yeah.
Should we keep it?
Looks nice.
I think it's pretty good, right? It's like fresh. Oh, don't you like your cracking wood sounds? Oh, that's how real good wood is. Building house. Gonna sell that. It's too expensive for us. This one looks good. Oh my god. These two, sorry, it was not one. Oh, ouchies. This used to be the original ceiling. This is painted with like a... It had moss on it. It was painted with probably like natural colors. Has even cold drawings. History. That's a good beam. You know what we're gonna do with all this, Essie?
What?
Build furniture.
Okay.
Build whatever we can. But for now, just to go down.
Good.
Because we cannot keep it up here. There will be no where to put it. Okay. That's a good one. Look. Moss and leaves. Isn't that cool to discover 200-year-old house building? I'm so sad to destroy it, but if we don't destroy it, there will be no house left. We're not gonna use moss now, are we? Oh yeah. That is heavy. I just feel the whole floor rattling from the pure size of that. Like a big subwoofer. Nice rave party.
It's going.
Huh?
It's going.
I hear cracking.
It's going, it's going, it's going. Fuck.
Holy shit.
Shit, it's going all the way back there. David. Should we make...
Oh, it's full of fucking rat shit. Filled with rat shit.
we have the ladder downstairs, you know that, right?
Yeah, I go get it. Oh my god, we took the whole ceiling down. If you remember it, it was not this low where you could touch it. I need to get the ladder out. Oh, I'm zoomed in. I need to get the ladder out.
Your saw made it well.
My saw is covered so black that it's not yellow anymore. The wheelbarrow's in here, some boxes. Yeah, the electricity, Desi. It's hanging on it. And it's hanging on my lamp. Not hanging, but my lamp is gonna get destroyed, but I did yesterday. Oh my god. It's the whole thing. Wait, I'm in a safe zone, Desi.
What?
Holy shit, there's Delma. Or Waldo or something.
What?
Look at that. There's Waldo. It's butter. Oh my god.
Take a lot of the boxes, everything out.
Yeah, I take everything out. Bobby, our whole fucking living room thing is full of dust. Like everything's covered in dust.
Really?
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of cleaning. Oh my god, your chair is brown, Baba. Yeah. And nothing else though, it was just going through this door. That's why everything next to the door is dusty. Holy shit.
Bye bye ceiling.
What do I do there?
I think that's where it's holding on.
That's not good. My idea...
Is to stand there and rip it?
No, then I'll break all my cables. Take a circle saw and just start cutting. And I'll be here, this is the safe zone.
Is it?
Yeah, this one's not falling, this is separate.
Okay. Careful, I'm standing here.
I mean, if I saw it, then I break the ceiling as well. I mean,
Yeah.
I kind of want to keep it. And they're super long woods as well. They go all the way to the end.
So why are you not just dropping it?
Break that.
Why do you need it?
It's the electricity for the lamp and the thing.
Is it gonna break? Are you gonna do it from there?
Huh?
Are you gonna do it from there? Babe!
Wow,
David!
the whole thing fell down. I need it.
Jump out, jump out. You okay? You okay?
Did you film it? Did you film that?
I hope so. I was filming, so. You okay though?
This mask, it works.
Does it?
Yeah, but my eyes, I should have had glasses on.
Your electricity didn't break.
How do you know I can't see shit?
Because there's two cables hanging there.
Look how it's smoking like we're on fire. Hope we're not on fire.
No, it's perfectly fine.
There goes my carefully take the ceiling down idea.
It came like a wind. I saw your hair like.
I would assume I'm really dirty.
Yeah, and we don't have a shower. That was supposed to be happen whenever we have a shower.
Yeah, we are a bit ahead of our time.
What you?
Okay. Back to work.
Okay.
Okay, so let's check out our new ceiling that we just got. A little bit short on the space side.
Oh, it's hanging on there. The ceiling is hanging.
Oh no, it's just hit the wall. It's against the wall.
Oh.
Huh. So?
It's dark in there. That's all I can tell you.
Okay, let's close the door. Let's not disturb the ceiling.
Let it do its work. Building itself. I mean, destroying itself.
The doors are...
Yeah,
Oh,
the door was broken before as well. Jesus
with a bit of
Christ.
power it comes up. Welcome home!
Ho, ho, ho!
The last wood broke a bit. If we left the ceiling as it was, it could have collapsed on us any time. Because it was just held by this side and that side.
You scared Evie! Right. Oh, shit. Wait, wait! Push.
Stuck on nail.
Oh, Baba.
Oh, this filter is helping me a lot. So, I have done all the ceiling except this tiny part that's left. Everything else I have cut them all in pieces and we have lifted it up there, and Despina is taking off all the tiny sticks that were used for
There.
plastering. And,
This is a clean one.
left them for burning.
Yeah, this is a clean one. This is a dirty one. I have a bucket there that I put them in. It's already downstairs. So yeah.
So yeah, the process is very slow. It's been like probably 2 hours or something it took us
Yeah.
for all these woods.
There.
We have 2 more left to come up and that's it. Front light. No problem. Careful. Ow.
Put it more here. There you go. Leave it.
Careful.
I go in the corner like you did before and keep it up. We are all done.
For today.
Yeah, I mean the floor is cleaned up, the ceiling. Mine is also black, but yours? I cleaned my nose before and my nose was like that color, my buggers.
I would assume they're gonna be that color as well now.
Oh my god, your face is black. And your eyes here as well. It feels like whenever I went to a color day festival, that's exactly the feeling.
Yeah, this is how I was feeling every time I come back from home from work.
Good.
Your jacket is fully...
Yeah, I know. Oh, okay, we need to slap on the clothes. But that's it for today and that's it for that video. Hope you enjoyed.
And we'll
To
see
see
you tomorrow.
Next time? Tomorrow?
Next time?
I don't know how fast
We
we
have to
can.
see.
Yeah.
I think these are one-time
Ooh,
use.
shit, I shouldn't do that in there.
These are one-time use, right?
Yeah, definitely. You're gonna wear that again, can't you?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye!